Dear student, today we are in our new point reaction of a carbonyl group with PCl3, PCl5, otherwise SOCl2. Yes, and it gives different type of product. So first of all, carbonyl group is similar with 2OH group on the carbon. Yes, hydrolysis of gives OH and OH, H plus here, OH here. After breaking the bond OH and OH, bond between carbon oxygen breaks. OH here from water and H plus here. So OH, OH 2 times similar. So it gives reaction. We are taking acetaldehyde. React with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2. First of all, Ca3, COH, OH and H occurs. Similarity we are seeing. So chlorine will be replaced. 2OH group. So 2 chloride comes here. Gives 1,2-dichloroethane as a product. 1,1-dichloroethane as a product. It's similar with acetic acid. In the acidic acid, when it reacts with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2, OH will be removed by chlorine and gives acetyl chloride, ethanol chloride. Now same reaction with ethanol. Here what happens? OH group removes by chlorine, so gives chloroethane. These are our product. Now difference between SOCl2 and SO2Cl2. Yes, sir. Difference between SOCl2 and SO2Cl2. Yes, both are different. React with different type of reagents. When we take ethane, so SO2Cl2 reacts here. Here one SO2 removes one chlorine with one hydrogen and one chlorine combines there, so it gives the chloroethane. But when we take ethanol, so SO2Cl2 is not giving reaction. SO2Cl2 react with alkane, not with alcohol. SO2Cl2 inverse of it. React with alcohol, not with alkane. Remember and store in your mind. Ethanol is reacting with SOCl2. So SO2 removes one sulfur to oxygen, one hydrogen with one chlorine and one chlorine combines there. So it gives product chloroethane. Yes, reduction of nitro compound by lithium aluminium hydride. Reduction of NO2 compound by lithium aluminium hydride. It gives amine. We know it gives amine. In the nitro compound RNO2, reduction by lithium aluminium hydride in acidic medium. So here is RNOO, like this. Oxygen is partially negative, nitrogen is positive. In LiAlH4, H minus and H plus. So here you can see H plus comes here, attacks on negative part. So removal of 2H2O. Then after H minus attacks on nitrogen on positive part. So 2 hydrogen combines there, it gives amine. Understood? But when we take nitroalkane LiAlD4, lithium aluminium deuteride in acidic medium, so what happens there? Oxygen is minus partially, nitrogen is partially positive, H plus attacks here. So removal of 2H2O. From here D minus attacks on nitrogen 2 times. For the completed valency, so it gives amine, but hydrogen having here deuterium having the amine it gives. Understood? Now we are in our new point. Come to the new point. Alkyne. Hydrolysis of alkyne. Hydrolysis of alkyne. C triple bond C is alkynes. Hydrolysis of alkynes by Hg2 plus and H2SO4, otherwise HgSO4, H2SO4 gives a keto group, means carbonyl group occurs there. And here first attack of OH minus occurs. In this reaction, first attack of OH minus group occurs from the water, not of H plus, but and now then after we will discuss about the reaction of alkyne with hypochlorous acid, then after hypobromous acid, and alkyne react with alcohol also. We will discuss about it. So first example, when we take ethine. Ethine is alkyne in acidic medium with the presence of He2 plus. What happens there? First of all, pi bond breaks. After breaking the pi bond, this carbon became positively charged. अब electron move થઈ જાય. So this one negative, this one positive. Here carbon is now here sp2 hybridized. So electronegativity high, it is negative, so more stable. But here electronegativity high. Sorry, this one sp hybridized both. Electronegativity high, but carbon is positive, so unstable. So first attack occurs on unstable part. Then after H plus comes here. So CHOH double bond CH2. It gives vinyl alcohol. Then after once again react with water, H plus and OH minus. These two electron moves here. Why? Reason for that, this carbon having OH group which is donor more stable. If electrons moving here, so it should be unstable. So these two electron moves here. Now attacks occurs of OH on the positive part first. So CH, OH, OH, then H plus here, so CH3. 2H on same carbon, we know OH and H, H2O removes and CHO remains. So it gives our product as a CH3CHO ethanol. Ethanol after removal of water, OH and H, CHO. Ethanol is our product. Understood? Now next, reaction with hypochlorous acid. Alkyne is reacting with hypochlorous acid, HOCl. Acetylene, ethyne, CH triple bond CH, HOCl. In HOCl, OH minus and Cl is plus. We discussed pi electron moves on any one carbon, so it will be negative, another will be positive. So first attack, why? Any electronegativity of this carbon is high and which is negative charged, so stable. Here electronegativity is high but positive charge, so unstable. First attack of OH here and Cl of here. Once again it reacts with the HOCl. So these two electron moves this side, not this one. So negative, positive. Here OH comes and here is the chlorine. Polar attraction between them. Actually two OH on same carbon are unstable, but here is stable due to polar attraction between chlorine and hydrogen. But when we apply heat, we are giving high temperature. OH and H removes as H2O and CHO occurs here. Then CHCl2 dichloroethanol occurs due to polar attraction. On high temperature removal of water, it gives a product. Now I am giving you filling the blanks. This type of question is asked in our exam. CH3C triple bond CH is propyne reacting with the sodamide and methyl chloride, sodium amide. It gives A. Now reaction of A with the persulfuric acid, not H2SO4, H2SO5. It gives B. And now reduction of B, LiAlD for an acidic medium, it gives C. So find out A, B and C. First of all, this hydrogen is acidic. Terminal alkyne. Which is terminal alkyne? Here Na plus NH2 minus with H removes NH3. So first of all, it gives monosodium propionide. Then after react with methyl chlorine, sodium with chlorine, NaCl. Methyl combines here. Butadiene is our A. Is our A. Suppose hydrolysis of it, H3 plus 2 NH plus 1 gives B. Then after H2SO5, sorry, and then after reduction, A is derived. Now hydrolysis of it. So we know 2 OH comes from same carbon. First one bond breaks. So OH and H here. Here H, here OH. Once again reaction with water. Another pi bond will be breaks. So 2 OH and here CH2. Here H, here OH. 2 OH on same carbon. Removal of water gives a ketone. This is B. Now H2SO5. One oxygen adds here. So it gives ester. Ethyl acetate. This is C. Now reduction. D minus and H plus. H plus attacks here. So removal of ethanol. And D minus here. Here also D. Here is D. No, here is H. Here is H. O minus. M attacks H plus. D C minus C plus. Here D minus. Here is D minus. So CH3 CD2OH is our final product. Understood? Now, thereafter, free radical addition reaction. Free radical addition reactions. Free radical addition reaction. In free radical, which type of attackers attack? So first of all is a carbene. Then in our book chloroform with the alcoholic KOH, second one. And third one is HBr, hydrobromic acid with the peroxide, gives the free radical addition reactions. Yes, sir. In this reaction, bond will be breaks free radically. First of all, carbene from where we derive, sir? Diazo methane. C double bond N like this. On heating, 2 nitrogen removes NCH2, 2 bond with hydrogen and 2 electron remaining. This is called carbene. Carbene occurs from diazomethane and ketene. CH2CO is ketene. Structure of ketene is like this. CH2CO is ketene. On heating, carbon monoxide removes and gives carbene. This type of carbene occurs. This is the discussion of occurrence of carbene. Now reaction. Free radical addition reactions we are going to it. Suppose ethene is given. CH2 double bond CH2 is ethene. Now it reacting with the ketene, not ketone, ketene. Heating is compulsory for the derivation of carbene and removal of carbon monoxide. Here pi bond breaks, so both carbon gains one electron of each. બે પોતપોતાના એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લઈ લેશે. So here is now free radical both carbon. Carbon is already free radical. It has two electrons, one with here, one with here. So you can see, CH2, CH2, CH2 means cyclopropane, bond length structure. It is cyclopropane. Now second example, butene. When we take butene, CH3, CH double bond CN and CH3. This one is a butene. Is also reacting with the ketene. At high temperature, what happens there? We know now. On heating, it gives carbene and removal of carbon monoxide. Here pi bond breaks, both gets one electron. So CH2 comes here. This one and this one participate with sharing one electron. So it looks like this. In bond length structure, 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane is our product. Now carboxylic acid gives ester. With carbene. Yes. If acidic hydrogen is in any compound, then will carbene it became CH3. If acidic hydrogen is present in any compound, it convert into CH3. Carbene combines with H plus, this became neutral, and after donating this became plus, convert into CH3. When we take acidic acid, so there is a acidic hydrogen, yes, here bond is polar. Acidic acid releases H plus ion when it reacts with ketene. So there is a carbene. This carbene combines with H plus and convert into CH3 plus methyl. Why? You can see H plus. Here 2 electron. After donating, it became plus. CH3 plus now attacks here. So you can see our carboxylic acid is converted into ester, methyl H plus combines with carbon and Ca3 plus. Now Ca3 plus attacks on oxygen, gives a ester, methyl ethanoate. But store in your mind, ethanol is not reacting with ketene or diazomethane. Why? Acidic nature of ethanol is less than water. Releasing nature of H plus ion is very less. So no reaction occurs here. But when we take vinyl alcohol, so here is H plus is acidic. And it react with diazomethane. First of all, nitrogen releases as a gas. Carbon combines with H plus, convert into Ca3. This Ca3 now combines with H plus ion here. Like Ca3 now convert here, it combines here. So it gives methoxyethene. This type of compound occurs. Compulsory necessity is that there should be minimum one H plus present. Now, one more example I am giving you. Here is CH2OH. This group is alcoholic. Here is COOH, carboxylic acid. This is phenolic group. OH direct with benzene phenolic, which is acidic, less acidic. So now it react with diazomethane. So it occurs carbon. H plus removes from here and from here, not from here. Carbon with H plus Ca3. Carbon with H plus Ca3. So here CH2OH, COOCH3, and here is OCH3 occurs. This is our product. Now peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov's rule means reaction with HBr in presence of peroxide, which is also free radical reactions. Markovnikov rule only applicable for HBr, not for HI and HCl. When we take non-symmetric alkene, propene is taken, is reacting with HBr and peroxide as a catalyst. So here free radical H and Br. Here also free radical occurs. एक electron ले, free radicals occurs. If bromine combines here, so secondary free radical is more stable. If bromine combines here, so this is a primary free radical. So primary free radical is unstable. So this possibility is not possible. So bromine first enters here, then after hydrogen here. So C1 bromopropane occurs. We know in Markovnikov rules, more negative part combines with less hydrogen having carbon. but that is here in anti-Marconi inverse of it. More negative part combines with more hydrogen having carbon, but this is applicable only for HBr. If we are taking HCl there, which is not applicable, CH3 CH double bond, propene with HCl and peroxide. So more negative part combines with the less hydrogen having carbon. So we can't get this type of product. Anti-Marconi curves here not applicable for HCl or for HI. We get the product like Marconi-Cox rule. In the case of HBr only, Marconi-Cox rule is applicable. For HCl and HI, remember it's not. If HCl કે HI આપેલું હોય તો Marconi-Cox મુજબ જ પ્રોડક્ટ આપી દેશે. Understood the reason for that? I will give you reason. In case of HCl and HI, it occurs in one step and reaction is endothermic. If question is asked why anti-Marconi-Cox rule is not applicable for HI and HCl, so it occurs in one step and reaction is endothermic. So anti-Marconi-Cox is not applicable for HI and HCl, only for HBr. With HBr occurs in two steps and which is exothermic. So it should be more stable. Bye.